In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your GCash MasterCard online fast. Before we jump in, here's an important update. GCash used to offer a physical MasterCard, but that option is no longer available inside the app. The good news is there's a new and improved replacement, the GCash Visa card. It works almost the same way. You can withdraw cash at ATMs, shop online, and pay in stores. So this tutorial will walk you through the correct, updated process to get your card quickly and without headaches. First, make sure you already have a GCash account and you're signed in on the GCash mobile app. From the home screen, tap your profile. Inside your profile, look for the section dedicated to cards. The wording can vary slightly by app version, but you'll see an option to order a card. Tap Order Card to begin. For the application to go through smoothly, your account needs to be fully verified. In GCash, fully verified means you've completed identity verification in the app, typically providing a valid government ID and a quick selfie check. If you haven't finished that yet, take a moment to complete it so there are no delays. Once you're verified, continue in the card section and select the option that says Send me a card. The app will guide you through a short form. Fill out all the necessary details, such as your full name and delivery address. Enter everything carefully, exactly as it appears on your valid ID, and double-check your address and contact information to avoid delivery issues. Before you submit, review the summary on screen. Make sure all details are correct, then confirm your order. Keep your app updated and ensure you have a stable internet connection so nothing times out during submission. After that, you're done with the in-app part. GCash will process your request and arrange delivery. You should receive a confirmation inside the app once the request is submitted. If you don't see the card option in your profile, update the GCash app to the latest version and try again. Also, never share your one-time passwords or PINs with anyone. All ordering is completed securely inside the official app. Keep notifications enabled so you don't miss status updates. And that's it. Even if you came here looking for the old GCash MasterCard, the GCash Visa card is the current and correct route. Follow these simple steps and you'll have a card you can use for ATM withdrawals, online shopping, and in-store payments.